Welcome to Cruz TV, Algebra on the Go. Our topic for today is multiplication of polynomials, grade 7 math, second quarter. In multiplying polynomials, in most cases, we are applying the theorems or the laws of exponents. So dito po sa ating topic, i-apply po natin ang laws of exponents. So example number 1. So we have quantity 2a squared b squared c times the quantity 5ab cubed c squared. So in this example, we are multiplying monomial by a monomial. Okay. So we have three different variables here with different exponents. So we will add the exponents of the same variable, then we will apply the exponent rule. Okay, so let's solve this problem. So the first thing to do is combine the numerical coefficient. Okay, so ilagay natin sa loob ng parenthesis yung 2 and 5. So we have 2 times 5. Then followed by a squared times a. Then times b squared times b cubed. Then times c times c squared. Then, let's simplify. 2 times 5, that is 10. So, a squared times a. So, may exponent po itong 1 dito. So, we will add the exponent. 2 plus 1, that is 3. So, a squared times a, that is a cubed. Then, b squared times b cubed. So, 2 plus 3, that is 5. So, b squared times b cubed, that is b to the 5th power. Then, c times c squared. So, may 1 po yan ditong exponent. So, i-add po natin. 1 plus 2. That is 3. So, c times c squared. That is c cubed. Okay, so this is the product obtained after multiplying these two monomial. So, example number 2. 3x squared y times the quantity 2x minus 4y plus 5. So in this example, we are multiplying monomial by a trinomial. So we will apply, or to solve this problem, we will apply the distributive rule or the distributive property of multiplication. Okay, so let's first multiply 3x squared dito po sa first term. So, ilagay po natin sa loob ng parenthesis yung, o pagsamahin po natin yung numerical coefficient. So, we have 3 times 2. Okay, so dito natin ilagay banda. So, we have quantity 3 times 2. Then, x squared times x. Then, times y. So, wala po siyang kapareho dito. Ikakopy lang natin yung y. Then copy the negative sign. So we have 3 times 4. Okay, so ilagay natin sa loob ng parenthesis. Then times x squared. So wala siyang kapareho. Copy lang po natin. Then times y times y. Then copy the plus sign. Then 3 times 5. Okay, so pagsamahin natin sa loob ng parenthesis. Then, urong lang natin para makita. Then, wala po siyang variables dito. So, ikakopy lang po natin itong x squared y. Okay, then, simplify po natin. So, 3 times 2 is equals to 6. So, x squared times x. So, may 1 po yan dito. So, 2 plus 1, that is 3. So, we have x cubed. Then, copy y. Then, copy the negative sign. So, 3 times 4 is equals to 12. Then, copy x squared. Then, y times y. So, may 1 pong exponent dito. Sa kabila din pong y, may 1 exponent. So, i-add po natin. 1 plus 1, that is 2. So, y times y, that is y squared. Then, copy the plus sign. 3 times 5. that is 15. So copy x squared y. Then i-check po natin kung meron tayong like terms. So wala po tayong like terms. Okay, so this is the answer. Or this is the product obtained after multiplying these two polynomials. So we have 6x cubed y minus 12x squared y squared plus 15x squared y. Example number 3. So quantity 2x minus 3y times the quantity x squared minus 3xy. So in this example, we are multiplying two binomials. So binomial by a binomial. So to solve this problem, we will apply the distributive rule or the distributive property of multiplication. Okay. So let's copy the given polynomials. So we have quantity 2x minus 3y times the quantity x squared minus 3xy. Then let's assume this first quantity, the first binomial, then the second quantity, the second binomial. So the first thing to do to solve this problem is to copy the first binomial. So we have the first binomial, quantity 2x minus 3y. So we have quantity 2x minus 3y times the first term of the second binomial. So ang first term po natin dito is x squared. Then add plus sign. Then copy po natin ulit yung first binomial. So we have quantity 2x minus 3y. So quantity 2x minus 3y. Then times the second term of the second binomial. So ito po ang ating second term, negative 3xy. Then, let's apply the distributive property. Okay, so i-multiply po natin ito. X squared times 2x. That is 2x cubed. So, x squared times negative 3y. That is negative 3x squared y. Then copy the plus sign. Then times negative 3xy times 2x. That is negative 6x squared y. Then, negative 3xy times negative 3y, that is positive 9xy squared. Then, let's copy again, 2x cubed minus 3x squared y. Then positive times negative, that is negative 6x squared y. Then positive times positive, that is positive 9xy squared. Then, i-check po natin kung meron tayong like terms. Okay, so meron po tayong dalawa. Negative 3x squared y and negative 6x squared y. Okay. Okay, so i-combine po natin ito. So, bring down 2x cubed. Then, negative 3x squared y minus 6x squared y. That is negative 9x squared y plus 9xy squared. Okay, taas lang po natin para makita yung sagot. Okay. So, this is the product obtained after multiplying these two binomials. So, we have 2x cubed minus 9x squared y plus 9xy squared. Example number 4. So we have quantity 2xy squared plus x squared y plus 4y cubed times the quantity 3x minus 6y. So in this example, we are multiplying trinomial by a binomial. Okay. So to solve this problem, we will apply the vertical method. Okay, so let's copy the given polynomials vertically. So we have 2x y squared plus x squared y plus 4y cubed. Then times 3x minus 6y. Minus 6y. Okay. Then let's multiply. 3x times 2xy squared, that is 6x squared y squared. 3x times x squared y, that is positive 3x cubed y. 3x times 4y cubed, that is positive 12xy cubed. Then, ito naman pong isa, negative 6y times 2xy squared, that is negative 12xy cubed. Negative 6y times x squared y, that is negative 6x squared y squared. Then negative 6y times 4y cubed, that is negative 24y to the fourth. Then, i-check po natin kung mayroon tayong like terms. Okay, so we have 6x squared y squared minus 6x squared y squared. Okay, so ito pong dalawa na ito, makakancel na po. Then, another is 12xy cubed and negative 12xy cubed. So, makakancel din po ito. So, matitira na lang po is we have 3x cubed y minus 24y to the fourth. Okay, so this is the product obtained after multiplying these two polynomials. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this topic. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video.